Hi everyone, welcome back to Spring WebFlux Essentials. So let's finish these integration tests now. It may be a bit long, but let's try to finish everything. Let's copy from the first delete from anime service test to the update, and let's replace it here. And also, we can come here and copy the setup. Let's copy one by one. No, let's copy both of them. Okay, and then we come here. I have to think if we're going to use this one. Okay, let's try. So, delete. Delete is pretty simple. When we execute a request to a URL, it's going to delete and it's going to return no content. So let's copy I think the most similar one would be the one with get. So just copy the test client from find by ID return mono error, and here just replace this guy. Okay, so test client.get, we are going to change the get to delete. URI is the same. Exchange expect status is no content. Now the delete return mono error. Let's copy this one. Okay, so when it finds by ID, it will return mono empty. So test client delete URI exchange expect status, and we are going to copy from here. So let's copy everything from expect status and let's replace here. Okay, so we can just comment this too, and then let's test and see if what we did now is working. Oops, something's still not working. There we go. So first delete removes anime when successful. Now delete return mono error. Cool. Move on to the update. So update, save updated anime and returns empty mono when successful. Basically this one, we are going to change a couple of things. Let's create here anime creator, create valid anime. Let's call this anime. And now test client dot put dot URI, and it's the same as the find by ID almost, because we have this ID 1, and then content type media type application JSON body. We can copy the body inserters from here and then the way to expect status. From value this anime. Actually, we have a create valid anime from there. And expect status is no content. Okay, let's test this one. Okay, it's working. And now the last one. So basically, this one, when we try to execute an update to an anime that does not exist, it should return not found. So we can copy Bum, bum, bum. We can copy almost everything. So let's copy. We have this one. What is the find by ID returns manual error? So just copy everything here. So we are testing test client, and here is .but. This is the URI, and then exchange. Let's copy this one. Okay, content type, body, exchange expect status is not found, then expect body, everything. So in this case here, we're replacing the original Mockito. Let's try and see if it works. Cool. So with this, we finished all the integration tests for the anime controller. So we can come here and execute all tests. Yeah, you can ignore this one. And with this, we finished the integration test. So see you in the next video. Bye.